I'm going to eat them up. If there's none left, then forget it. Family, watch the first-hand hottest review of the Honor Tablet GT unboxing by Banksian, right now in front of you. This is the tablet I just received. Since I'm located in Xiamen, my shipments always arrive 1 or 2 days later than others, which is quite a disadvantage. Now let's unbox it. I originally thought this generation of tablet would be an upgrade of the GT Pro, but it turned out to be the GT Pro Standard Edition, and it's called the Honor GT. And recently, everyone has correctly noticed the style of Honor, which is extremely cost-effective from the previous power to the current GT. I believe its price will surely astonish everyone. Let's proceed to unbox it together. Seeing this green makes me a bit uneasy. Reminded me of my GT phone. Then let's take a look at the charger. It's 66 watts. Next, let's take a look at the main character, the tablet. As I predicted before, it's the same colour as my previous Honor GT phone. The Honor logo on the back isn't exactly the same, but it can be said to be identical. Next, let's take a look at its appearance together. Honestly, I would not recommend buying this colour. It seems a bit too striking, a bit too youthful. As for the side of the device, it should still be custom made with 8 cores, something that Honor has always provided generously. The front of the device, the screen control is slightly inferior to the GT Pro, but overall it is still acceptable. Next, let's look at the specifications. It still has the Dimensity 835 Zero Edition processor, with battery life reaching 11,000 mAh. Then let's look at the eye protection aspect. It is equipped with defocus vision relief, but it does not display a high frequency dimming level. Finally, let's test its weight, and it reaches 478 grams. Honestly, it's quite light, isn't it? Finally, let's summarise. I believe this Honor Tablet GT will be a value for money online product. If you want a tablet under 2000 Yuan that is full of performance and can do everything, it would be quite a good choice. Well, this video comes to an end here. If you liked it, please follow, like and comment. Bye bye.